Today is my first lesson driving a HGV. Whoop whoop! Yes! So we're here, outside Red Rose training again. I'm here for my first lesson. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. This is like the start of my new career. I'm bang on time. Got to be here for 12:15. Makes a change, doesn't it? Bang on time. Oh, he's just at that corner. Oh dear. So I'm going to ask my instructor if I can film from day 2. Maybe just day 2, or maybe day 2 and 3 and 4. I'm going to ask him, see what he says. I mean, if I were a body cam, for example, I don't see why that would be a problem or an issue, but you never know. So all I'm going to do today is just tell you what my first day entailed, what I've learned, what I did. I think I'm just going to be learning about the wagon today. I've got to learn what every indicator, what every symbol on the dashboard means. I've got to learn all that for my CPC Module 4, so I'm guessing he's going to teach me all that stuff before he actually takes me out in it. Maybe do a little bit of going backwards. That's going to be fun. So I'll get back with you guys in 4.5 hours. That's it, I'm going out for 4.5 hours, I think. So I'll get back to you lot then. Wish me luck. I can't wait. The start of my career, my new career, cannot wait. It's going to be absolutely brilliant.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Yo! Hello, guys and girls. That was fun. 4.5 hours of driving. No, 4 hours of driving. I started at 12:30. 12:30 till 4:30. No serious mistakes. Didn't hit no curves. We literally just drove around Manchester, Oldham, Stockport and back. There's been a massive accident on M60. There's horses running about all over the place, which is funny. Or a horse. I can't remember what it said. A horse or horses. No major problems. I've just got to work on my procedures, my mirror signal manoeuvre, get out of the bad habits that I've got of driving a car, which is what I knew I was going to have to do anyway. Just simple things. Checking your mirror every time you pass a pedestrian. Check a mirror every time you pass a parked car. Remembering to check my mirror for the swing on the rear. So if I'm turning right, I've got to check my left hand mirror to make sure the swing at the back of the trailer isn't going to hit another car. Then I've got to quickly come over and check my right hand mirror to make sure there's nothing coming inside of me. Then I've got to check back to my left hand mirror and make sure nothing's going around the outside of me. Then check my right hand mirror to make sure that I'm going to clear the car at the junction that I'm turning into. It's just mirrors, 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 mirrors. Everything's just mirrors. Wowzers. I got used to the width pretty quickly. I'm quite surprised about that. I didn't hit any curbs, didn't clip nothing. Didn't hit any bushes or anything with my wing mirrors today. We went through some really narrow roads. It's still a bit of an issue when you're coming up to like a parked cars on your left hand side and there's a car coming towards you, knowing whether I can fit through that gap and knowing whether my instructor's going to shout at me for trying to fit through that gap. That's about it really. Not really got much more to say. Oh, apart from my instructor said I can record. He said I don't give a shit what you do. He said as long as I can keep my clothes on, I don't care. So tomorrow I'm going to record about an hour of the driving, because I think we're just going to be mooching about again and practicing the procedures. I'm going to do about an hour of the driving. I'll upload that, and he said that he'll also film me doing the reversing manoeuvre. I've just done it, first time. He said have a go, and I've absolutely nailed it. I got it in the box first time. I've no idea how. I mean, I'm not going to say it's skill, it was probably luck, but I did it absolutely perfect, and he said I can't fault it. He asked me how I got into the yellow box, and I said oh, he's just going now, going on for his tea. He asked me how I got in the yellow box, and I said I don't know. I just checked my mirror and just waited until I thought I was close enough, and then put my handbrake on, and that was bang on. So he gave me a hint on how to get it right every time, which is by using my side reflectors, are they called? When that goes to the bottom of the yellow box, it means I'm in. Perfect. But you can get out and have a look anyway. You can have a check on that before, like on your test. You can get out and check to make sure you're actually in the box. So that should be easy enough. I mean, I don't really see. I mean, again, I'm going to sound really stupid if I get it wrong, but I don't actually see how I can fail on that bit because, well, it's pretty simple. You know, you go in an S shape. I'll probably fail on that now and make myself look a right nipple. But yeah, I've had a good day. My feet are killing me. My feet and my shins, the muscles at the front of my shins are killing me through keep pressing the clutch and accelerator, clutch, accelerator. 8 gears, up and down constantly, stuck in traffic, up to 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and you're only doing 10 mile an hour. Then you've got to come back down again. And then traffic starts moving, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, maybe even 5th. 5th gear at 15 mile an hour. That's what that lorry's doing. But that's me for today. I'll get some recording out for tomorrow. I'll record while I'm in the wagon and do a bit of driving. I'm going to try and put a body cam on. I don't know what the view's going to be like on the body cam, but I'm going to put that on. I don't really want it on my head, even though it'd probably be better on my head. I'm going to make me look a right tit. But that's it for day one. Day one of learning done. I'm happy. I can't wait to get out on the road on my own and get driving. I can't wait. I want to be the next Scott Andrews or Luke C. Luke C's a bit round and Scotty's Welsh, so I ain't going to be either of them two. I just want to be a lorry driver. I love it. I absolutely love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in 3 days. Take care. Bye bye.